What if a 59 drill could actually help you fund your early retirement? Sounds mad, doesn't it? But stay with me for this. Today we're checking out the Sundpey 24 volt hammer drill for £59. This isn't just a tool review, it's about how small money decisions build long-term wealth. First up, the drill itself. Straight out of the box, it's solid. Not premium, but not flimsy either. Comfortable grip, decent weight, metal chuck, and simple controls for £59. No complaints so far, as well as some accessories. We'll come back to that later. Performance-wise, it handles wood and basic DIY jobs easily, so it should, and I didn't buy it for that. Shelves, furniture, general home fixes, no problem at all. Switch to hammer mode, and that's why I bought it. It's alright for light masonry, okay, no problem again, but for heavy duty stuff I tried to drill into a lintel and I didn't get the success I wanted, but that's probably down to the drill bits that were supplied more than the drill itself. I think with better drill bits it would have done a better job there. Battery life, it's going to be average, but the benefit of this is it comes with 2 batteries, so if you're doing a long job like decking or something like that, then you could have 1 battery on charge and using 1 battery as well, and you should have no problem at all. And if both batteries go, then it's time for a little rest. Now the only problem that I got with these batteries is it's not compatible with my iNil stuff, but I knew that at the beginning. Now here's where it gets interesting. Most people look at the drill and think cheap tool versus expensive tool, but the smarter way of thinking is, does this purchase allow me to avoid spending? Instead of paying £80 here, £100 there for basic jobs, you just spend £59 and suddenly you're keeping hundreds in your pocket. And that's early retirement mindset, isn't it? It's not about tight with money, it's about intentional decisions that go over time as well. Let's just say this drill saves you £200 in DIY costs in a year. Invest it to £100 instead, and that's better retirement. So that repeatedly over years, that's where financial independence and financial freedom is built. This drill isn't just a tool, it's a tiny asset. It helps you reduce expenses, increase your investing power, and that's the shift that most people miss. So final thoughts, is it worth it? I think if you're an occasional user, it might be well worth it. If you just want an electric screwdriver, it might be a bit heavy. If you can probably scrape and go up to £100, there's probably better drills out there. But for the occasional user, I don't think that is too bad. And of course, if you buy it through Amazon, you've got that deal. You can buy it, you can take it home, you can play with it, and if you're not happy with it, you can. If I was going to spend more money, I just love these iNil ones. But look, you can see it's a good unit, I think. But let's see how it holds up under some drilling. So in my next video, I'm going to be testing the SundpeyPRO out on walls. I'm going to be putting up a clothesline and some mirrors. So make sure you like, follow, comment if you've got one of these already, and what do you think of it? Anyway, see you in the next video.